Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create basic balance sheet. So open Excel and click on new and just search basic balance sheet. Audit cost and balance your budget using this balance sheet that allows year to year comparison including. So just click on create. Now here guys add and customize and modify as your choice and as your requirement. Here is the summary set and is a ready to use template. Just customize and modified as your choice. You can change the name, value, and also you can change the currency from here. So this is the method guys. You can create easily balance a sheet using this Excel template. Thanks for watching.